everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolute baby doll, 1955 Chevrolet two-door hardtop Bel Air. Killer car, guys. This car is just nice. Factory color combination, Gypsy red and Shoreline Beige. I can't say enough about this car. Absolutely love this car. Factory color combination on the interior. This car has been extremely well maintained. This is an older restoration. They didn't know exactly when the car was done. It's got like 20-some hundred miles on the resto though. But this car is nice. Factory 265 automatic. It's got air conditioning that blows cold. If you're looking for an original 55 Bel Air, I think you're going to love this car. It's got the extra chrome on it. Again, just a very well maintained car. You can see the original T3 headlights. There is a couple little stone pecks we saw in it, but very, very nice car. The chrome is nice. Car's out of Tennessee. Matter of fact, we have a title out of Tennessee from 1972. And again, factory color combination. Yeah, sorry, a little bug or something landing on there. I didn't want you to think it was a chip. But gorgeous car. A car runs and drives outstanding. They have upgraded the shocks on the car, so it really rides out nice. You can see a little trim is sticking there. Great car, man. This car is just what you know what I kind of describe as, shoot, man, we got stuff blowing all around. Sorry, guys. I would describe as just a good, honest car, man. Whoever had this car, they didn't own it, they loved it. I'm not big on fender skirts and Continental kits, but man, I love them on this car because it's just so original. Clean underneath. It's got the those are BF Goodrich wide white walls. They are radial, so they ride way better than the original bias plies. I love the caps. It's got dual exhaust with the chrome tips. Big fan of this car, man. Love it. Again, I'm not really big on fender skirts, but I just think they fit this car. Original 265, stock 2-barrel with the old bath. Again, air car, air blows ice cold. That's the original paint up on your firewall. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Same thing with the air cleaner and the valve covers. You can see it's got the stock Delco generator with a power steering built right in. Great car. I'd say this car has lived a very easy life. It's got your dash prism when you're at the lights. Sorry if you're seeing, I'm just dripping sweat. It's 100 degrees out here today. It's crazy. Love the factory interior. Again, this is the original color combination. How many of you have seen this? Factory power seat. And it works. It's got the correct carpet in it. Yeah, this thing works. How about that? Steering wheel's nice. Factory dash, yeah, 2825. That's what's on your resto. The only thing I couldn't get to work was the radio, factory AM radio, but everything else in here worked. Again, dual exhaust, factory rear axle, everything pretty much bone stock underneath. There's the old bias, silver towel bias ply spare. Hard to work your way around this Continental kit. Original owner's manual. There's also a little bit of paperwork here. This is a judging sheet. Actually, they had it at a car show. It scored, I don't know, just under 900 out of 1,000. So that'll just tell you what kind of car it is. Great, great car. Clean underneath. Seats are really nice. They've been all redone. Dash is nice. That's just a great car right there. She just fires right up. I mean, they can turn your air on. Air blows cold. What a car, man. That is just a sweetheart. Air feels good. Gauges work, really just fuel gauge and temp gauge in there is all we have. Everything opens and closes nice. Great sound. You can see that. I don't know how good you're going to be able to see those from behind. Just a little sweetheart right there. There's the only thing, you can get the radio come out of here, the blower motor just blowing away in here. Need that today. It is a scorcher. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. You want a nice 55 Chevy, that's a killer car right there. Not overdone. Get in it, turn the key, and cruise it.